What's going on, everybody? Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens. We are up in St. Joe here today, and we are going to do about a 6x12, 6x13 pond. Also down here behind me, we have a pondless waterfall. It's already existing. We're going to be doing a little renovation to this thing as well, adding a small stack slate urn. We have a lot to do, so I'm going to go ahead and put this thing away and jump right into this here. Making some pretty good progress. I won't be back here tomorrow. The guys will be back. They're probably gonna end up working on some more deconstruction of the waterfall and kind of prepping a few other things. Jordan, we'll see you right about
now. Guys, we got issues, all right? We got rain coming. We got our skimmer, that's not working. Apparently manufacturing issues, so we're gonna work around what we got. Let's get back to work.
It's raining. Ah!
How are you feeling, buddy? Cold. He hates the rain. Like, out of everybody on the crew, I have never seen a mood change like David Tran. Hates the rain.
Don't even want to talk about it.
We have the bottom of our pond constructed, as you can see behind me. Hopefully things run a lot smoother than they have been just with the rain and everything, but come join us on the rest of it. Follow along. We'll see you tomorrow.
It's tomorrow.
All right, I'm back. Hope Jordan did a good job here yesterday, taking care of you guys. Walking you through the vlog here. We are still waiting on our skimmer, so hoping that it's going to be in tomorrow. For today, we're going to be working on getting the rest of the pond rocked in and then building our waterfall, tucking all of our edges and taking care of all the finishing details. Trey's sore from his workout. He's hurting. We are pretty well finished up with the pond here. Got the waterfall set. Everything is pretty well foamed in. We just need a few smaller rocks to finish out some of our edges. And oh yeah, we need a skimmer. Yeah, that's what we need. Hoping that thing will be in here tomorrow. For the rest of today, we are going to start moving all of this dirt over against the fence, build some outcroppings against there, keep the dirt from spilling over into the neighbor's property, and basically pitch this grade to where it flows towards the viewing space over here where we can get some waterfalls that are visible. It's hot,
So
we're getting out of here.
KC probably feels like 112. So.
He's got the weather update for you.
That's right.
All right, well, we were able to get the majority of the pond all finished. Waterfall is pretty well rocked and set. Just need some smaller rocks to get everything all taken care of tomorrow. And that skimmer, that thing, you know, it's pretty important for a pond. So we'll see you in the morning. Day 5, gonna get this pond all finished up. Supposed to have a skimmer in here today. See if this one is free of defects and usable. But gonna go ahead and jump into things here now. Chug, 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 chug. Just smash it on your forehead. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a little tip here as we are setting our urn now. This is the base of it right here. It's the location that we want. And we not only are running our water line obviously up through the middle into the top of the urn, but we also have a light that is recessed back in there that does not come with the urn. You have to custom fit that in there. We have gravel in the base, and this is going to help weight the bottom of it to create some stability and structure to this thing. Also, you can see here I'm anchored flush against this side of this large rock here. We will go ahead and use our waterfall foam to connect that and kind of secure it there, and I'll use some rocks on the other side as well and gravel all around just to lock the bottom of this in. That is it for the week. It's been a hot one, super hot. What do you think, Train?
Really hot.
We'll be back on Monday. We'll see you then.
Day 6.
Getting everything all wrapped up, about to roll out of here. Love the way this thing turned out. Love the way the urn fits into the space. And I'll flip you around, show you what we came up with here. Can't wait to get back to this thing once it is landscaped and dressed out a little bit better. Really, really love the way this whole thing turned out. If you want to see more great waterfalls like this and other water features that we are working on every day over here at Good Earth Water Gardens, don't forget to subscribe, drop us a comment down below, let us know what you're thinking about these projects that we're doing here, leave us a like, and we will see you guys on the next one. Jordan's angry.
Looks like he's crying.
He's always angry. Step 5, install your skimmer.
Last step.
We did this completely, perfectly in order. Say bye, David.
Bye.